to fix Instagram account suspended on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open your settings of your phone, and now you will look for apps. For example, as you see here, apps. Then you will find all the apps that you have in your phone. You will search for Instagram. As you see, I found Instagram. I will open it, and I will scroll down and click on storage, and then I will go to the bottom of the screen and click on clear data and click OK, and that's it. It will work with you. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.